Hello and welcome back to Homesteading, Northern Michigan. I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm not putting out a full project. This is just me working on a project. If you guys like it, please leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down and let me know if this is something you want to see me do more often. I need your guys' feedback. Anyways, I got 4 pallets of cinder block to put in. And what I'm doing is putting my house on a foundation. It's already got cinder blocks, so I assume that's all leveled. I'll check it. But it should be easy enough, just going up 2 blocks all the way around, and I got these treated 2x8s right here. These will be a nice banding surface for the top of the blocks, since their cinder blocks are 8 inches to the house. Alright, so I'm going to start with the front because I want to build the corners up. I'm pretty sure this thing just sits on the frame. So yeah, we're going to tear this stuff off real quick and see what we got under here. There's a separate set of skirting under there, but I got to get this off. Anyways, so we'll start here. As you can see, this was fighting me. I got off to a real slow start here. I think I got a good method for taking it off now. I had to pull out the big boys, but siding or skirting or whatever you want to call it is actually pinned to that post. So I don't know how they did that. But I was able to get that off eventually. Okay, so this is going to be easier than I thought because there is absolutely nothing holding up the sides. So I'm going to build up the corners. That way they can be supported. Terrible trio coming to help. Hey, can you guys go ahead and take care of the stuff under that trailer for me? Get all them spiders out for me. I'll pay you in some chicken scratch. They said, what? Thanks. So you see these posts that I'm working around, they are actually supporting the roof because that trailer will not support a roof built on top of it, and a regular trailer roof will not hold the weight of the snow that we get up here. So they have to frame it out with posts and build a roof over top. So it's kind of like my trailer is sitting in a carport. Alright, so we got all the way up to the porch done. As you can see, they built the porch on after. So I think I'm gonna have to do those bricks on the inside, because you know it's never perfect. So what I'm gonna work on next is getting this piece off and then working my way around the corner. Gotta clear up some of this mess. So that way I can start doing the cinder block. I gotta come up in like 16 foot to get the first 2x4 off down there. And then I can start laying some cement. I don't know what kind of nails they use to pin up these skirting pieces, but boy, are they tough to get out. That's how you do that one. Oh look, my beautiful wife's home. Doing a little dry fit. The actual 2x4 I will be bolting to is a little bit higher up than this lip here, and plenty of room for a mortar gap there. This is going to be like a perfect fit. If you look where the frame is there, you see there's a little gap there. Well, there's a little space down here. I think I can make that flush or really close to it, even by moving the outside brick in. Is what will have to happen. It's not straight. I see it now. So the corner looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to fit something in there to seal that, and then I'll have to foam it or whatever. Keep out the rodents and the draft. But everything's going to be fit, and I was really worried when I uncovered that frame there. I was really concerned. I'm not taking off the tongue. Looks like there was an addition added onto this, but it was only like just enough for this window here. And it's kind of supported right there. So I'm probably going to cut it right in front of the frame there. I haven't decided yet. I might try and take it out and see what happens. I'd really like to remove this whole thing, or at least cut it back to where that cross member is right there, so I know it's stable. So then it'll still be framed off, you know. Okay, well, we're gonna get back to work here. We being me, solo. So I think I'm gonna have to cut off that bolt right there. That's gonna have to get cut off. And I'm gonna have to figure out something to go around that because I have no means to jack this house up. So you see the post there, I got a roof sitting on it, so it's jacking it up, it's not an option. So I'm gonna have to work around the actual what's supporting the trailer right now. This is exciting. This by far is going to be the hardest part, even though I got to tear off the whole back porch. This is going to be the hardest part right here. If you guys haven't, please hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell. There will be a full build of this after I get done. This is just going to be a little partly thing, but right now I'm going to fit up some more blocks, stack them up, and run one of the 2x8s across and get that screwed in. Alright, so there's a cross section over here, and I have to cut these pieces to go in between them. They're about 4 foot apart. Well, my friends, I'd like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. If you could, would you please hit that subscribe button? Ring the notification bell if you want to be up to date on future uploads. And of course, a super special shout out to all the Michiganders who hit that join button. Your support is amazing. Thank you. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.